to a brand new episode of Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. Now this is my favorite month of the year. I'm guessing it's the favorite month of many people. But you know, the favorite part of this month is when it comes close to Christmas. Then it's the party week, right? From the 24th to the 31st, it's party every single night. But one thing that this month also brings with it is a little bit of confusion. And because this is the gifting season, most people are thinking of what to give, whether your gift will be good enough, whether it'll fit your budget. Too many questions coming to your mind. So to solve this, I have found a fantastic place. This place will have a solution and a gift for everyone you love. This is a great place called Candlelight.
The way I would describe Candlelight would be, Candlelight is all about color, it's about fun. We have different types of confectionery, from, if you name it, from candies to chocolates to cupcakes, popcorn, everything sweet you can imagine. So we cater to a lot of occasions. When you talk about birthdays, parties, just get-togethers, and you know, for anyone who has a little bit of a sweet tooth. We have different types of hampers. We have our own characters. Actually, we have 5 characters by the name of Boo, Chippy, Wacko, Twister, and Gobble. So these characters have their own boxes, and you know, you can pick your favorite character. We've got a large fan following for this candy floss here. Yes, the guys make it here. We got the experts, and you know, it's really a hot favorite.
No matter what you're looking for, sweet or savory, no matter who you're looking for, I mean, if you're looking to gift something to kids or you're looking to find something for yourself purely for gourmet satisfaction, Candlelight is a one-stop shop. Here you will find something for everyone.
We have these cupcakes and cakes that are really freshly made every day, and you know, they're customized, and we have different types of face cakes. We have all flavors of cupcakes, which include chocolate, Oreo, red velvet, and the red velvet is very special as well. It's actually made out of, you know, with the ingredient of beetroot as well in it, which is, you know, a natural beetroot. And we also have different types of face cakes, which, you know, have your favorite characters like Hello Kitty and the Snowman, and you know, all your favorite characters. So that's why, hence, it's so popular, and a lot of people have appreciated it and come back to us and continue to come back to us. We have something to offer for every season, be it National Day, which we have a hampers for, or be it Christmas, like you said, is around the season. In fact, we have hampers right here. They're, you know, of all different kinds, so you can have something just as low as 15 dirhams to about 150 dirhams, and you can actually customize your hamper. We have different kinds of Christmas gifts, and we have very nice lint bears as well, and you know, which is very popular, and we have a bunch of items that you can actually put together. So really, it's like a paradise to shop, if you may say, and actually you get the opportunity to, you know, pick your little ones that you like and actually put it all together and give a, like I said, the sweet little Christmas gift. This is actually one of our favorite parts of the outlet here at Ibn Battuta. This is a brand called Paparazzi. So it's actually linked to a little bit of a celebrity, and you know, we want to make you feel special, like the paparazzi make the celebrities feel. This brand is from the US actually, and it's from Houston. They have over 200 flavors. We've just bought 14 out here, so you know, you can see that in the future we're going to evolve with many flavors. We have different kinds of hampers as well. We have a small size and a big size. You can actually mix your flavors as well. Candlelight has a lot to offer, from cupcakes to popcorn to like candies and chocolates and whatever sweet you can imagine. So this Christmas, I would suggest, you know, this is the best place to come and buy and customize the hampers and the gifts that you want for your loved ones.
Christmas time coming up, so chocolate presents for the children is always very good, yeah.
Being from India, we don't really get too many options in popcorn. So it's just the normal cheese, caramel and salt. So this was something really interesting with jalapenos and, you know, the whole aura of this place is like, seems quite peppy.
It was great, you know, I like the staff out here, the way they are treating me. It's very good.
I like Candlelight.
We love Candlelight!
Have a sweet candlelight Christmas.
It's time for us to move away from Candlelight and take a short break. But when we come back after the break, we'll still be with the retail industry. In fact, we'll be dealing with the best in the business.